Precision immobilization technique, aka pit maneuver, is a technique by law enforcement to intervene a fleeing vehicle by bumping its rear axle area, causing the vehicle to turn sideways or lose control to a stall or stop. I liked the visual dynamic of such a scene, so I gathered a civilian Firebird and a police Impala for a diorama plan. I wanted to create my own livery and marking for the patrol car. To get the accurate size of dimension, I scanned the model with a flatbed scanner. As for the roof and hoods, which were hard to scan right, I simply avoided making size-critical kind of composition for those areas. I couldn't sculpt my own figures, nor could I find suitable ones for the pit maneuver scenario, so I opted for my trademark, the bubble figure method, which is often seen across my works. The fleeing vehicle. Hey! The brake disc is not its own individual piece. It's molded with a solid background piece which, when painted in black, is supposed to give you a false perception of an open space behind the rim. As a graphic designer, I found it visually playful, because that's how I approach most of my scale modeling problems. CGI texture, false perception, same concept indeed. Where was I? Oh. The fleeing vehicle seemed withdrawn in a hurry in the middle of a repair process. The suspect should have just looked for another car instead. From this we know that the chase didn't happen right after the crime. They had probably planned to lay low while wiping evidence off the car, but things didn't go as planned. I don't really remember what story I originally had for this diorama. Heck, I don't even know when I will finish the diorama.